on me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I am here to review this bouncy, beautiful, amazing Cambodian hair from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, viewers. From the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, look at how bouncy this Cambodian hair looks. Just have a look at it. Beautiful, beautiful 16 inches Cambodian hair. It looks like a 14 right now because I've had this hair for 2 years plus. I have curled this, so if you stretch it, it drops down to my boobs. It's actually really true to length, and this company is one of the most amazing companies out there. If you're looking for good quality hair that will last you more than a year, 2 years plus to be precise. I mean, this hair, all I did was to dye it and to actually kind of make it brand new. You lot will see how I basically dyed my wig and how I curled it to achieve this beautiful look. I just wanted to talk about the pros and cons of this hair. So basically this hair has no disadvantage. The only disadvantage is if you cut your bundles. Obviously all hair sheds, even our own natural hair does shed. If you cut your bundles, obviously you will receive shedding. So if you do not want to receive any shedding, I would advise for you viewers to basically seal your wefts and use the fold over method. So that is the only disadvantage I have to say. This hair can dye into 27 blonde. It can also basically take color really well. This is the second time I'm dyeing this hair. The first time was in a I've had this wavy wig for 2 years, so I decided to do my last final review. So this hair is good quality, and I have a coupon code for you viewers. You know I will not come on camera without giving you viewers 20% off using my name ATIVELT20. I will leave it in the description box down below as well, so you get quite a great discount off, and also you will get good quality hair extensions, tangle free. One of the best companies out there, to be honest. Everyone talks about. If you have used the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, you know it is the bomb.com. If you haven't, please go and try. So yeah, this is their Cambodian wavy, and I dyed it into mocha, and I decided to pull burgundy hair dye on it, and this is the color that it came up with. Not too bright. That is what I wanted really, and hope you viewers did enjoy this video. Stay tuned for how to achieve this beautiful amazing color, and also how I curl this hair to achieve this look.